Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this color transition for your opening video in CapCut Mobile. So first, just add your video, and here I add a 1 second blank background like this at the beginning. So I'm going to click on my clip, the clip that I added. So here is where the color transition begins. So click on the clip and add a keyframe. Go to adjust, and here follow the settings. So for the brightness, increase it to 20. Then lower the contrast and saturation to -50. So this is the beginning. So the video will become black and white like this, and then go to where the transition end. Here I'm going to put another keyframe in here, add a new keyframe, and go to adjust again and reset the adjustment that you did before. So back to 0, all of it. Click on the check icon. Now this will be the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.